If you want to change the language in Firefox, whether you need it for comfort, accessibility, or just to make browsing easier, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy options to appearance and language preferences. On the settings page, look for the language section. If you do not see it right away, scroll down until you find the language area. Once you are in the language section, click the language drop-down menu. A new window will appear showing the available languages Firefox supports. Now scroll through the list and find the language you want Firefox to use. When you see it, click the language to add it to your preferences. After adding the language, make sure it appears at the top of the language preference list. This part is very important because the language at the top becomes Firefox's primary display language. If you added more than one language, Firefox will use the one at the top first, so double check that your preferred language is listed in the correct order. Once that is set, restart Firefox. Closing and reopening the browser allows the language change to take effect properly. After Firefox restarts, you should see the interface in your selected language, and that is how to change the Firefox browser language in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.